So, Voltrex the Dragonslayer, how does it feel to make a documentary on the sliding rock?
I mean, like, it was really, really fun to make that documentary. It really made me happy to see all the comments that people made. You know, like there was one person who said,
Are you gonna make any more documentaries?
yeah, well, we haven't planned any.
So, what was so special about the rock that made you want to make a documentary about it?
I mean, like, just look at it. It's just beautiful. It just deserves a documentary.
So, what's that rock?
That's someone's garden. Yeah.
As well as these images that you are seeing currently, a separate day of filming took place with just the crew. Well, you know, it can get a bit lonely, especially when you're talking to thin air. That's right, fearless cameraman, sound recordist, editor and narrator Alex took to the same place again the next day, mainly to capture more shots of the hill to use as B-roll.
So, Voltrex, when you were reading this, did you learn something from it? Or did you just read it because you already knew it?
Well, I learned that... I mean, no, I already knew all that. I already knew it all. Yeah.
So, were you there when Daniel O'Connell was making this?
Yeah. Like 300 years ago. He's a good friend. Yeah. He's learned a lot.
So, Voltrex, why didn't you put this historical lamppost in your documentary?
Because, you know, it's just really didn't come around this side.
Well, I mean,
it's an amazing lamppost and it's really historical, but didn't really think about it. We didn't have enough recording time.
Apparently Daniel O'Connell made this lamppost.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we should have put it in.
Yeah.
Don't know why we didn't.
Walter, why did you say this was a garden? I mean, it is a garden, but like, it's very overgrown.
Well, you see, Japanese knotweed grows in there, and you know when you cut down Japanese knotweed, just more grows. It just spreads everywhere really quickly. And it has to have...
It's registered as site number 005. What could that mean?
That there's 5 places with Japanese knotweed in town.
So, were you ever in here?
Yeah. No.
We're here at the Sliding Rock Bar, which Voltrex said was not actually called it anymore, but it is. So, yeah, and also we have Brandon Jack and David. We're special guests.
I have to give it to you first. Oh, look at the video.
You need to turn your video back on.
You cannot stop to Alex. No one likes you.
Hang on, turn the volume up. Is it all the way up? Oh look, video.
Wait, Ben, you don't see Connor's face. He's frozen.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's what I think. It's a weird facial expression there, Connor.
So it's a bar. It has
Don't have one.
Connor, you are very frozen.
I'm sorry.
Yes, I'm going to take a screenshot and send it to you.
Jack!
Connor left? What the hell?
No, Jack hung up on me. Jack hung me up. I don't know what I'm saying. Jack, stop.
Okay, we're gonna go.
I haven't spoken to them in so long.
That's a wrap. Subscribe to Telly 1. Mostly Telly 1.
I'm gonna censor that.
What's this?
This is a trampoline. You know, you might know it, but it is.
Cut.